Hi, I'm Randy. I'm the manager here at Bowman's Feed and Pet in Westminster. Today's February 28th. This is our first day of our chick season. We just got a shipment of chicks in this morning. We generally sell close to 1,000 every week for the next about 10 weeks. Our buyers are a variety of people, from farmers as well as individual homeowners. Anybody that wants to have their own chicks for their own egg sources as well as meat chickens. It's one of the easiest protein sources a person can raise on a small amount of land. It's very good for self-sustainability in this country, which is now a growing national trend. We do this every year. We also have a chick event coming up March 8th at the Carroll County Ag Center at the Burns Building at 6 o'clock for anybody that wants to attend. We'll be participating. We'll be the Fine Feathers Friends 4-H Club. We will give information to anybody who wants to raise chicks. It's a good seminar for people doing it for the first time or people who have been doing it for a while to learn some new techniques for raising chicks. Anybody's welcome to attend. We just ask you please give us a call so we know how many people will be attending.